Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the post author and date on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so here we have an example blog post that I've created way back in May. And you can see my name is here. Hi everyone. I have the date and I have the category here. Let's say I wanted to remove this to keep this content evergreen because these things usually don't change. So for whatever reason, let's go ahead and click on Customize and open up the WordPress Customizer. Okay, we're here. Let's scroll down and click on Single Post. And you can see it's not very self-evident, but we can enable or disable the post title. Right? Altogether, we can just have our, Visit Missouri over here. We turn this off. Oops. Excuse me. Let's turn this off. You can see that disappears and we have our title over here. Now we can enable this and there's this arrow that we can click and it gives us a lot of options. We can have type 1, which is this, and then type 2, which is this, right? But right now we're only concerned with removing the post author and date. So that's not very evident with these, but let's go ahead and click on Post Meta, this drop down over here, and you can see we have a bunch of options. We can remove author, right? Or we can change the author avatar. We can configure that, but we can click on Hide, and you can see we have the date. We can hide that as well. We can also hide the taxonomies and comments from here as well. So we'll have our breadcrumbs here, and our title here, and our title over here. So simple as that. Let's hit publish. And let's go to our site here. Let's hit reload. And you can see that the post author and post date have disappeared from our WordPress Blocksy blog post. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.